The Art of Health, Richfield, a resident-guided initiative led by HealthPartners, a nonprofit healthcare and insurance provider dedicated to well-being, the Cornerstone Group, a mission-driven real estate developer that fosters community, Forecast Public Art, a nonprofit arts organization that connects the energies and talents of artists with the needs and opportunities of communities, and Ecological Design, committed to building healthy natural systems where residents can integrate food, function, and beauty.
And we're trying to listen, continue listening to them, to let people know that art is alive and cultivating in Richfield. The question on the table that, as you mentioned earlier, is how is it going to be run? Who is the advisory? Because it has to have a programming committee. It can be what we all want it to be, and we would love to include you all and other artists from the community. When I see health alongside wellness, in terms of like a community, cultivating a community, I don't know, healthy exchange, but I feel like if there's like, just the word exchange, like what you were saying in the sense of like people learning from each other. Yes. So whether it's like health related, but also artistic, also communal. Yeah.
In 2011, the City of Richfield invited the Cornerstone Group to transform one of the last large redevelopment sites in the city. Engaged community visioning was our first step. Led by the local Initiative Support Corporation, this established our vision for the site, the Lindale Gardens Healthy Town Center, a place rich in sustainability and healthy living, food, public space, cultural programs, and public art made for and made by Richfield. Minutes away are the 150-acre Wood Lake Nature Preserve, Augsburg County Library, as well as key transit connections and major highways to Minneapolis and St. Paul. Social determinants and the environment influence nearly half of our health and wellness, which our partners are ready to address in Richfield.
It's a health resource center that was funded by Park Nicollet Foundation to build out a resource center for families and children to access to support their wellness.
Our partners have developed an open and participatory process for resident-driven action. HealthPartners will lead a well-being research program within 2 target Richfield census tracts and work with those residents to identify their health goals. Cornerstone and Forecast will support an artist residency program for 2 artists to engage neighbors through anchor institutions such as the HealthPartners School Clinic, Nature Center, and Lakewinds Food Co-op. Artists will create participatory public art experiences, foster conversations on wellness, and build relationships between residents. Ecological Designs will use a co-design process with residents to build and run the community farm for food production and cultural relevance. Throughout this work, artists and partners will connect the community to their new hub of public space at the Lindale Garden Center through collaborative wellness programming designed to meet residents' self-identified health goals.